Every object in ZBrush is made up of polygons, which are flat squares or triangles. These polygons have a front side and a back side. The front side is always visible, but the back side can be visible or invisible. Every once in a while, you may find that the side that is in front side and the side that you think is the front side are not the same. Or you might want to switch whether the back side is visible or not. So let's see how it works and demonstrate in practical, because putting that in Word, it's not that simple. So I have this cartoon character over here, which is like a stylized character. I modeled that in Maya. But what I want here is that I want to go to the sub tool here, okay, and I don't want its hair to be there. Just I will hide the hair, and let's see. Let's go to the eyebrow here. Now I just only want to work on the eyebrow, so I will press shift. By the way, this you can find in the link in the description below, so you can download this file. So I will press shift here and I will click on my uh, eyebrow here, eyes, like eye option here, so it will hide everything, and then I will click on the eye icon of the eyebrow, so it will isolate this. So I will press F on my keyboard, so I will get the frame. Now at this stage, what I want is that I want to I want to convert these two eyebrow into one unibrow. So how I can do that is simple, by bridging them. So what I will do here is that I will just press Control Shift, okay, and Alt, and then select this part to hide this part. And once this part is hidden, what I can do here is that I can just go to my geometry, my modify topology, and I will delete the hidden. As soon as I will do that, it will delete all that was hidden. Now let me make my brush size a little smaller. Now what I want simple thing to do is that to bridge both of these holes here. Now I just want to go to my Z modeler brush, so I will press BZM, and now I'm on the Z modeler brush. At this stage I will just press spacebar on the edge, so I have to make sure I'm on the edge right now. Spacebar, and you can see I'm on the edge. These are the edge actions, you can say, and what I want is that I want to do the bridging. So I will simply go to the bridge and I will choose two holes here, so it will bridge the two holes. So I will select two holes. Everything else I will keep as it is. Now first I want the first hole, so maybe this is my first hole. It says bridge two holes, click the first hole, so this is my first hole. I will click on it, and I will go to the second hole here. So this says bridge two holes, click on the second hole, so I will click here. I did that, it bridged, but you can see the result is not that good. It looks kind of twisted. The reason is that this eyebrow here is maybe have a different sideways. Maybe its front is just like back and back is like front, and this one is different. So just to put that in a practical situation, let me undo this and show you the practical example of this one. So let me give it a nice angle here, and then I will go down in the display option here. So where is the display here? This yeah, display properties. Inside the display properties, you can see my double is on. Let me uncheck my double here. Now you can see how this looks like. Its front is in the back, because you can see there is nothing inside the front, whereas this one is totally different. It's all closed, but this is not all closed, this is all flipped. So what I want to do here is that I want to flip this one so it will become normal. Now as you know, both of them are as one, so if I click on flip, so what will happen, this will go normal, but now the issue is with this. So don't worry, there is another way to turn that around. So let me undo this. What I will do here is that I will just press Control Shift and select this one so that this will be on my screen, other will be gone. Now I can flip it and Control Shift and bring that back here. Oops. Control Shift and click to bring that back here. Now both are flipped. Okay, even without the double, because what does the double do? Regardless it is flipped, it show both of the sides. So if I will press here, so it is showing both of the sides, but in reality it does not show you which side is activated. So to see how it is actually working and what actual sides are visible, you just have to turn it off just to see. So both of them look same. That means now it is fine. Before, the case was a little different. Now both are at the same level. Their inside is inside, their outside is outside, their front is front, their back is back. So now if I will go back here and try to do bridging, so I'm still in my bridge two holes option. So if I will go here, so it will say bridge two holes. So click first hole, I will click here. Now here it's the same thing, bridge two holes, click the second hole, and if I will click now, you can see everything is fine as I wanted. Now if I want more topology, so what I can do is that I can just go here and I can choose here more topology over here, like I think spline is better, or yeah. So if I will click here and here, and then I can increase more topology just like this. Okay, it will be visible if I will press shift and F here, so you can see much more better. So I can pull it out, add more left and right to pull it back and forth. So totally up to you the way you want it. So now I have converted this unibrow. Let me hide my wireframe here, and now I can press shift and I over here 2 times so I can get this. Now you can see that I have a unibrow over here. So flipping the surface direction of a model has real practical implications, because if you try to join together two parts of a model that face opposite directions, you are going to have problems, just like what we were having before. Doubling, on the other hand, is purely a display feature. It doesn't actually change anything in a practical way. So the one which I just demonstrated before, and I just told you about that. So guys, if you have enjoyed my video, please click on the like button, and I will be uploading new lessons, tutorials, live sessions and full courses along with other useful videos. So don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can get all the notifications. I will highly appreciate if you will give shout out to my channel on your social media account, which will help me to get more subscriber, and this will motivate me to create more content for you all. So guys, thanks a lot for your support, and please continue supporting me and take care of yourself till we meet for the next lesson.